Is AI getting dumber? Why? Hallucinations, drift, and design choices are failing users. Is AI actually getting dumber, or are we just noticing its flaws more? If you've ever watched an AI confidently invent a restaurant, rewrite your question into nonsense, or spiral into a weird tangent after 5 messages, you're not imagining it. Today, we're breaking down why this happens and how to get dramatically better results while avoiding hallucinations, drift, and bad advice. AI isn't declining like a student forgetting their homework. What's really happening is more interesting and, honestly, more concerning. As we push AI into messier, real-world tasks, its limitations get louder, more visible, and sometimes hilarious. But if you rely on AI for work, security, or decision-making, those funny mistakes can become real risks. Let's start with the big question. Is AI actually getting worse? Short answer, not exactly. Longer answer, it's complicated. AI models are trained to predict what text should come next based on patterns in their training data. They don't have an internal sense of truth or accuracy, so unless you give them clear context and constraints, they may produce something that sounds right but isn't. So when you ask a question, the model isn't evaluating facts, it's looking for patterns that resemble similar text it has seen before. And that's why certain mistakes keep showing up. In fact, most of the problems people run into with AI fall into 3 major failure modes. First, hallucinations. AI will confidently make up facts, sources, statistics, or entire fictional businesses. Not because it's broken, but because the training process rewards fluency, not accuracy. Second, confirmation bias. If you ask a leading question, AI will happily agree with you. Tell it, write a report proving X is dangerous, and it will. Tell it, write a report proving X is safe, and it will. It mirrors your framing, even when your framing is wrong. Third, conversation drift. The longer the chat, the more the model tries to follow your vibe instead of your instructions. That's why message 1 is crisp, and message 20 feels like you're talking to a tired intern who wants to go home. These aren't signs of decline, they're signs of design trade-offs. Speed, creativity, and flexibility often come at the cost of precision. For casual use, hallucinations are annoying. For businesses, they're dangerous. AI can invent compliance requirements, misinterpret policies, fabricate citations, misclassify risks, or confidently recommend something that violates your security controls. And because AI sounds authoritative, people trust it more than they should. This is where teams get burned, not by bad AI, but by misaligned expectations. Here's the good news. You can dramatically improve AI accuracy with a few simple techniques. First, give it context, lots of it. AI performs best when it has constraints. Instead of explain PCI DSS, try explain PCI DSS to a small retail business with no dedicated IT staff. Second, ask for structure. AI loves patterns. Tell it, give me a 5-step checklist, or summarize in bullet points with examples. You'll get cleaner, more reliable output. Third, don't let it guess. Add this phrase, if you don't know, say you don't know. It reduces hallucinations dramatically. Fourth, reset long conversations. If the model starts drifting, don't fight it, just start a new chat. Think of it like clearing the whiteboard. Fifth, give the AI the information it needs. If your platform lets you upload or reference your own documents, such as like policies, procedures, or notes, do it. AI is far more accurate when it can pull answers from your actual data instead of guessing. AI isn't getting dumber. It's revealing its limits more loudly as we push it into real-world scenarios. The more we understand those limits and design around them, the more reliable and powerful AI becomes. If you found this helpful, hit subscribe to join the Actionable Security community, where we break down cybersecurity, AI, and real-world risk in a way that's practical, clear, and actually fun. And if your organization is building or relying on AI, check out Actionable Security's Virtual Chief AI Officer Advisory for guidance on safe, reliable AI deployment.